village. So
if it rains anymore, I don't know how long it'll take, but as you can see, this whole area, this isn't bad at the start of the corner, but you gotta feel bad for the neighbors who live in the middle where the corner has a drop. And you know, every now and then they do some drenching. If we get a couple more days of rain like this, I don't know what to say.
And why did you decide to come outside in your barefoot?
Because all my tennis is red. You know, coming outside, going in, coming in and out of firewood. You know, the floor of my truck is red.